Hi everyone! It's a calm summer evening. I'm in my summer cottage and I want to do a very short unboxing and review of something I've received today. It's nothing big, but something very small and cute from Chanel. So let's open the box together and have a look. So, can you guess what this is in this lovely bag? Yes, there are two mirrors. So here we have two mirrors from the limited edition collection, the colorful collection, and I have ordered one for myself and one for a friend. It's gonna be a gift. And then there's a small canvas bag with samples that I've chose. So let me first show you the samples. It's a revitalizing cream and ultimate cream sublimage. And there's a lovely message. So let's have a look at the mirrors. I will unbox the one that I've picked for myself first, and it's in the color Immortelle. You know, my channel is called Lilac Moonlight, and that's for a reason. I simply adore lilac color and I adore it since my childhood already. And yes, as you can see, I also love lilac flowers, lavenders, and yeah, everything lilac. So when I saw that there is a mirror in lilac available, I was so excited, and I knew that I need to have one. So have a look. They come in this lovely dust bag that is really classic. It's a nice cover for the mirror, and dun, here it is, the perfect lilac moonlight double mirror in, yeah, simply perfect lilac color. If you have seen my unboxing of Balextra lilac handbag recently, you will know that, yeah, it's gonna be a perfect match. Wow, it's beautiful. And it feels really good quality, although it's plastic. Here's how it looks open. One side is normal and another one is magnifying to have a closer look into details that you may want to see. I love how the flowers are visible now here in this video through the mirror. It's fun, playful. And of course the mirror. I love how beautiful it is. I love that it's not too big. It's gonna fit to small handbags and bigger bags alike. So this is the lilac one, and this one will be a gift, but I feel that I must check it out before giving it away. So I will just very carefully open it. It's gonna be in the color Fugueuse, so the navy blue. Okay, and here's how it looks. Well, it isn't black, but it's certainly really dark, like a dark navy blue. The logo isn't white, so there's no contrast, but of course you can clearly see that it is Chanel. I think this one looks really cool. So that's about it. It's just a short video at this time, and I was actually considering buying a pink one as well, and maybe also gifting it for another friend, but when I was ready to order, it was already sold out. But of course, to me personally, the lilac one was most important, and I'm really glad I have it now. I also wonder if you have ordered any of these limited edition items from Chanel Colors collection, perhaps a mirror or something else from there. And lilac is my color, but I'm very curious to hear what is your color, and did you get only one item or maybe a full set? So that's it for today's short video. I hope it was useful for some of you to see those mirrors in daylight, what's the color nuance. And of course, if you are new to my channel, I welcome you to subscribe and watch my other videos as well. So have a lovely day or evening or morning, whatever it is where you are, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.